Hey Blake, are you sitting by the fire? I am sitting by the fire. Why? Because I'm fired up. What are you fired up about, Blake? I'm always fired up about something. Well, today it's the Bedford. Why? This is one of our model showcase homes inside of Harbor Point, our most luxurious neighborhood inside of Edgewater. Guys, I'm honestly fired up. I'm actually trying to buy this house for myself. So if you get it, great. If not, this may be my future house. So check it out, guys. It's like MTV. Welcome to maybe my future crib. You've got a level 5 waterfall countertop. Guys, this home has $66,000 in design center upgrades. You'll see them as I walk around. I just love this house so much. It's the Bedford plan. You have a potential of 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Downstairs, you have your designated formal dining room. You have a beautiful office. And you guys already know, it's not going to be my favorite if it doesn't have a butler's pantry in it. It's an extended butler's pantry with a massive food pantry as well. Guys, you got 3 places you can eat inside of this Bedford model. You've got the breakfast nook, you have the bar, and then the formal dining room. Let me take you down this hallway. It couldn't be my favorite either if it didn't have your awesome little drop zone or mudroom. Cute little powder room on the main floor. You got a 2-car garage. You have a massive 10 by 20 foot patio off that side. But check out this, guys. You've got the double pane walk outside. I was actually measuring so I could put a hot tub right here on this cold day. On the patio, screened in porch, another 10 by 20 foot patio. And if you look through the breakfast nook, you can see the other 10 by 20 foot patio. It's a little hot tub, beautiful. It's almost an acre lot. The doors open both ways, massive, right off the living room with the fireplace. So guys, like I said, it's $66,000 in upgrades, everything from the way the flooring was done to the stairwell, walking upstairs. You have 3 full bathrooms upstairs. This bathroom is shared by the 2 bedrooms. Show you guys the other homes. Harbor Point just has gorgeous, gorgeous homes. Beautiful. So there is the second bedroom. Guys, you know I don't do these videos twice. Everybody knows the rules, just one time. You got a secondary living area. So if you make this home 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths upstairs, you have 2 living areas. If I get this house, what am I gonna do with this room? I'm glad you asked. It's gonna be a movie theater. Here is your 3rd bedroom. It has a full bathroom. So one of the bedrooms upstairs is gonna have the full bathroom. You got this amazing little nook. It's adorable, right? Overlooking the woods. Awesome, awesome backyard. Huge closet in this bedroom. Now remember I told you guys you could make this upstairs 5 full bedrooms. There is the closet in the game room I was showing you earlier to make it 5 full bedrooms. So you said over 120,000 upgrades. Well, the lot, $25,000. The interior upgrades over $60,000. Structural upgrades over $30,000. That's the fireplace. A lot of the structural elements. Look at the vaulted ceiling in the primary bedroom. And you got a luxury bath. You've got the full bathtub, gorgeous tile floors, and you have the full shower with deal heads. You have the master closet, his and her side. And I love when we split up the dual vanities on both sides. You've got the linen closet and the bathroom. Needs to hold it all by itself. So guys, Like I said, if this house is over $120,000 in upgrades in it, beautiful tile floor in the laundry room, amazing folding table. It just gets better and better, guys. So how much is this house, Blake? I gotta know. Well, it's $519,000. If you built this house today, you came and met with me, I built all these upgrades out, the structural options, the design center options, and the lot, it would cost you over $630,000, and you can have it for $519,000. This is the Bedford model, guys. Square footage, just let me make sure I've got this right, 3,193 square feet, and it has a potential of 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms upstairs. You've got the powder room downstairs. Guys, it was cold today. I had to put my jacket somewhere else because it just didn't look great in the video. So if you saw where my jacket was, I couldn't find a good place to put it. So if you can find where my jacket was, leave in the comments. Come down to Edgewater, I'll take you out to lunch. Guys, this is the Bedford, $519,000. The address is 13032 Arnold Palmer Circle. You can look it up on Zillow as well, see all the pictures. It's beautiful. My name is Blake Lomberger. I sell real estate exclusively for True Homes. I didn't say that right either, but I'm not gonna do the video again. You know what I meant. I can sell you the showcase home just to make the deal a little sweeter. Guys, if you buy the showcase home, I can lock you in a 4.99% rate from year 3 to year 30 with a 2-1 buy down on top of that. Year 1, 2.99%. Year 2, 3.99%. Year 3 through 30, 4.99%. To be by this fire, run outside, get in your hot tub. I just can't get enough. Guys, if you don't buy it, and I'm not joking, I honestly might. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got the gas range, beautiful farm sink, butler's pantry, more storage space right here. Let me show you the butler's pantry again. Little cocktail bar, breakfast bar, a formal dining room. Absolutely beautiful house. Made to entertain, made for maximum enjoyment and living. Guys, Blake Lomberger, let me know if you're interested in buying this house or building one just like it. This house is discounted over $100,000 right now. We are ready to move this house. Guys, Blake Lomberger, shoot me a DM, call me, text me, whatever, doesn't matter. Work for True Homes. See you guys.